Welcome back to the channel. In today's session, we discuss about AWS KMS service. It gives you centralized control over the cryptographic keys that you use to protect your data. The service is integrated with other AWS service, making it easy to encrypt data and store these services and control access to the key that decrypt it. It's also integrated with AWS CloudTrail. It provides you the ability to audit, use this key in which resources and when AWS enables developer to easily encrypt or digitally signature functionality to their application code either directly or by using AWS SDK. AWS KMS also provides a centralized control over the lifecycle and permission of your keys. You can also create new keys whenever you wish, and you can manage those keys separately from you can use them as alternative to using those keys generated by AWS KMS. You can import keys from your own key management infrastructures or key used stored in AWS Cloud HSM cluster. You can choose automatic rotation of master key generated in AWS KMS once per year. What are the services integrated with AWS KMS? You will find that it's Alexa for business, Amazon Cloud Fraud Detector, Amazon Relational Database Service, Amazon Code Commit, Amazon App Flow, Amazon Route 53, Amazon Code Pipeline, AWS Athena, AWS Guard Duties, Simple Storage Service, Database Migration Service, Amazon Aurora, Amazon SageMaker, Amazon Glue, AWS CloudWatch Logs, Simple Email Service, Simple Notification Service, Simple Queue Service, Amazon Kinesis Firehose, Amazon Connect, Amazon Lambda, Amazon TimeStream, Amazon Connect Customer Profiles, Document DB, DynamoDB Location Service, Amazon Translate, Amazon System Manager, Amazon Elastic Container Registry, Amazon EC2 Image Builder, EMR, Elastic Cache, all those services are integrated with AWS KMS. And this makes you one's capability in AWS account using each request you make with AWS KMS that recorded in log file that is delivered to Amazon S3 bucket that was specified when you enable those AWS CloudTrail. That information recorded includes of time, date, API actions, and relevant. Those scalability, durability, and high availability. All these features is AWS KMS is fully managed. As the use of encryption grows, the service automatically scales to meet your needs. It's enable you to manage those thousands of CMK in your account and use them whatever you want. The CMKs are created or one that are created on your behalf of your AWS services cannot be exported from the service. Therefore, AWS KMS takes those responsibility for their durability to help ensure that your keys and your data is highly available. It stores multiple copies of encrypted version of your keys in system that are designed for highest durability. For encrypted data or digital signature workflows that move across multiple regions, for disaster recovery, multi-region high availability architecture, DynamoDB global tablet and globally distributed consistent digital signatures. You can create those KMS multi-region key, a set of interpretable keys with the same key material implicated into multiple regions. Also, AWS provides the libraries and sample code for various programming languages and platforms like Java, Ruby.net, Android, and SDK provides a convenient way to create programming access to AWS KMS and other AWS services. One recommended that AWS SDK to make those programmatic API calls to AWS KMS client support TLS, transport layer security. We recommended TLS client also must support cyber suit with a perfect forward secrecy, such as ephemeral Diffie-Hellman or elliptic curve ephemeral Diffie-Hellman. The cloud KMS is a cloud hosted key management service that help you manage cryptographic keys for your cloud service the same way you do on premises. It includes support for encryption, decryption, signing, and verification using a variety of keys, types, sources, including cloud HSM and key. The tutorial teaches you how to encrypt and decrypt data using systematic cloud KMS keys. Those key management service allow you to create, import, and manage cryptographic key and perform cryptographic operation in a single centralized cloud service. One can use those operations using Cloud KMS directly by using Cloud Agent or Cloud External Key Manager or Customer Managed Encryption Key, that is integration with other Google services. These are some steps for encrypt and decrypt data with Cloud KMS service. Setup and requirement: enable Cloud KMS service, create KMS key, encrypt data, decrypt data, rotate keys, and finally one can enable Cloud KMS API, create a symmetric encryption key, and encrypted and decrypted data Cloud KMS. These are the services that I discuss that integrated with AWS KMS, that are the benefit one can use. The benefit are, you can find that it's fully managed. You can control access your encrypted data by defining permission to key while AWS KMS enforce your permission. Centralized key management, also represented by AWS KMS. Single point, control point, key management, encryption for AWS services, encrypted data in your application, digitally sign off data, very low cost efficiency, secure hardware module that have been validated under some sections, some process being validated to generate and protect those keys, compliances, security and compliances and quality control in AWS KMS have been certified under multiple compliance scheme to simplify your own compliance obligation. Built-in editing, AWS KMS is integrated with AWS CloudTrail to record all API requests, including key management services. Thank you for all.